If you want to play NES games on PC, you're going to need a NES emulator. So for this video, I'm just going to use JNS 1.2 as the example. So first you're going to want to make a folder with all your NES games in them. And then you're going to want to go to File and Open. And then you just navigate to the folder that has all your games in them. And then when you click on the game, it's just going to run the game. And if you go to recent, it's just going to show you all the games you opened before in the past. The last 8 you opened. Change directory is just changing the folder that has all your games in them. So like all the games you see here is in a folder. That's a directory, and then you can just change where it is. When you refresh the directory, if you add a new game in your folder and click refresh, it's gonna pop up here. Recent directory is just all the folders you used to get your games running in the emulator, which you would only probably have one. And then capture, you can capture the sound or the video. Then for system, when the game is running, you can reset the game, pause the game. I'm not even sure what step does. You can save your game, restore a save. You can save a file. Then there's the save state slots, so you can save the game in 9 different states. So I can, like, if I'm about to fight a boss, I can save the game. When I die, I just go right back to before I fought the boss. You could even change the region that the game is in, so NTSC is just like the American European version that has a higher frame rate than PAL. So PAL runs slower, but if you want to be accurate for some reason, you know, you can. In the video settings, you can just change the window resolution and the drawing method, which I guess that's just how it draws the screen when you play. You can change the full screen resolution. You can stretch it to the whole screen. You can do other things. I just have it at the default. You can mute the emulator. Then you can enable it. You can make it come out of 1 speaker instead of 2 speakers. You can mix the audio together however you want. I'm not sure what graph does. I have no idea. I'm not the audio guy. And in settings, there's just a few extra things you can do here if you want to. Like sleeping while the emulator is in the background, I have that turned off, so if the window's not selected, I can still play the games. It's still gonna read my input. And that is it. That is everything about the NES emulator. Thanks for watching.